Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to free up a ton of space on your iPhone. If your iPhone is starting to run out of storage or space and is basically overrun by apps, files, photos, cache, logs, all of that stuff, I'm going to show you how to trim out all of the fat and get it as lean as possible so that you don't need to upgrade your phone or pay more for iCloud storage. Let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. From the Settings app, tap on your name at the top. Scroll down, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on under Save to iCloud, tap on Photos. You can see it says sync this iPhone. The first big win is that most people have their apps and photos taking up the most space on their iPhone. So I would recommend tapping on Optimize iPhone Storage. It says if your iPhone is low on space, full resolution photos and videos are automatically replaced with smaller device size versions. Full resolutions will be downloaded from iCloud at any time if you need to use them. So tap on Optimize iPhone Storage. Next, tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap the back arrow again. Tap the back arrow yet again. Scroll down, tap on General midway down. Tap on iPhone Storage midway down. You'll be able to see this breaks down the applications, the photos, messages, as well as iOS and system data. The first thing I would recommend doing is scrolling down and tapping on Messages. Tap on Review Large Attachments, and you'll be able to see all of the photos and videos sorted in order of the largest to the smallest that are in Messages, either sent or received to you. If any of these you don't need anymore, you can swipe to the left and tap the Delete button, and it will help free up space. Next, tap the back arrow at the top left, tap the back arrow again, and scroll down, tap on Safari. Over time, Safari gathers lots of data and cached files that you don't necessarily need, so let's clear out all of that cache within Safari. You can see Documents and Data 1.2 gigabytes, tap on Website Data, and you'll be able to see all of the data will start to populate. If I scroll to the bottom, tap on Remove All Website Data, and tap Remove Now. This will delete out all of those documents and data and help clear up space. Next, tap the back arrow at the top left, and then find any apps that you don't use or that are taking up a lot of space. For instance, tap on TikTok here, taking up almost 2 gigabytes. You can tap Offload the app and then turn around immediately and tap Reinstall the app. Essentially, this will delete out all the cache and temporary files in that app while leaving it installed. However, tap the back arrow at the top left, and you can also find apps that you don't use regularly. So instead of Size at the top right, tap on Size and tap on Last Used Date. This will show you all of the apps that you regularly use at the top. And then if you start scrolling to the bottom, it will show you all of the apps you don't use. So tap Show All and scroll to the bottom. This will show you the apps at the bottom that you don't use very often. If any of the apps that you don't use often are not default iOS apps, which you cannot uninstall, and if they take up a lot of space, you can always go in and delete them if you don't want them on your phone anymore. Next, scroll to the bottom and tap on iOS. You can see Apple Intelligence here. It's taking up 7.58 gigabytes worth of data on my iPhone. If you don't use Apple Intelligence, you can always turn that off, and that 7.8 gigabytes or 7.5 gigabytes will be deleted from your iPhone. To be able to turn off Apple Intelligence and free up that space, tap the back arrow at the top left, tap the back arrow again at the top left, tap the back arrow again. Tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri, and toggle off Apple Intelligence and tap turn off. Keep in mind that data isn't immediately deleted. It's usually deleted when you plug in your phone that evening. It'll wipe out all of that Apple Intelligence data. The next thing that we can do is exit out of the Settings app and open up the Photos app. We're going to do two things. One is delete out all the deleted or recently deleted photos, and the second one, look for duplicate photos and videos. Tap on Collections at the bottom right. Scroll down, find Utilities, and tap on the drop-down arrow to the right of it. Tap on Duplicates first, and you can see two different duplicates. If you have duplicates, just tap on Merge and then Merge Exact Copies. And essentially this will help free up space, an easy win for you. Tap the back arrow at the top left, and next tap on Deleted at the bottom left. This will show you all of your recently deleted photos and videos on your iPhone that you don't need anymore. Tap on Select at the top right. Tap on those three dots at the top right, and then tap on Delete All and delete all from all devices. This will again free up space on your phone. The last thing we're going to do is check to see if the Files app has lots of downloaded files and help free up space in there as well. So exit out of the Photos app, swipe down, and type in Files. Tap on the Files app, which is a default Apple app. Tap on Browse a couple times until you get to this screen. Next, tap on My iPhone, and then tap on Downloads. If you have any downloaded files in here that you don't need, just press and hold on it. Scroll to the bottom, tap on Delete, and it will delete that file. Next, let's tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap the back arrow again, and tap on Recently Deleted. On here, you'll be able to see all of these photos, videos, files. We can easily free up space by tapping the three dots at the top right. And then we're going to tap on Select at the top. And at the bottom right, hit Delete All and tap on Delete. This will free up tons of space on your phone. After you've done all of these, let's delete out a lot of the cache and temporary files in the system data files. And you can easily do that by force restarting your phone. To do that, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see an Apple logo appear. So I'll show you how to do that. Quickly press volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. And continue to hold it even though it says slide power off. You'll be able to see after a couple of seconds, your entire iPhone screen will go black like this. Continue to hold. And when you see the Apple logo appear, release your finger. It will restart or force restart your phone, clearing out a lot of cache files as well on your iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really enjoy that one as well. Thanks, guys.